Hi, I'm in Lorton today previewing a house, townhouse, 4 beds, 3 baths, half bath on the main level, and it does not have a garage, but it has been completely redone. New windows, new floors, new fixtures, new kitchen. So let's take a look at what $559,000 buys you in Lorton, Virginia. Okay, so from the entry you can see all redone. Nice new floors, great living area, fantastic picture window with lots of light. There is the half bath right here, which is so nice. All redone, right? Very modern. It's perfect on this floor. And as you walk through the open concept, you'll notice the nice neutral paint, the eat-in kitchen dining room, new fixture, and then this kitchen is really well done. If you can see this, white cabinetry, quartz counters, really cute backsplash, and stainless steel. I love that they took the cabinets all the way up to the ceiling, and I love the fixtures. I think the only thing I would really like in this property is a little island right here, a little peninsula for some breakfast seating. As you can see right here, you've got a big picture window or a big picture door that has the level lower blinds in, and that goes out to a new deck that they've put on. It just needs to be stained or painted. And when you come out here, this is kind of the townhouse living, especially in Lorton. There's a lot of townhouses here, but you've got some open space between your neighbors. You've got some trees and some greenery, but you can see how nice and peaceful this is. This is a great outside living. Let me take you back in so you can see this. So this is the shot from the deck. Great room. And then again, you've got your great open concept kitchen. Okay, at the top of the stairs, this whole floor is carpeted, so it's kind of nice and cozy. This is the primary. It's a bit oversized, which is nice. Again, nice neutral paint. New ceiling fixture, great light, good sized closet, and then you can go into your own ensuite. So you've got the sink and the stand-up shower, really nicely done, got the inlay, cute tile. They've kind of carried this gray and white theme throughout. They changed the hardware here to that brass color, which is very nice. Very peaceful room. It is in the front of the complex, but I don't really mind it. Okay, so from the primary, you have 2 other bedrooms off the back of the house. Tons of natural light this time of year. Not super oversized, but not super tiny. And then, of course, you have your new finished main bathroom. Very nicely done. Nice new vanity, new flooring. This is really well done. I really like the finishes they chose here. Everything is very clean, very fresh. I know they have new HVAC, new windows, obviously new carpeting. Let's go downstairs and check that out. Okay, so they carried the carpeting down through here, so it's kind of cozy, but this is just like a big room. When you come downstairs, you obviously have your egress outside, a new window. Looks like they're getting ready to sod or something. It is fully fenced, so if you have a pet or some kids. There is a full bedroom down here. It's not oversized, but again, you could get a bed, you could do an office in here, you could do a workout room. And then this area over here, you have a full bath, which this is how you get your 4 bed, 3 baths in here. Very similar to the primary with a stand-up shower. Very nice features in here. And then you have your laundry room, which is really nice, brand new laundry, and your utility room with storage, which you're gonna need in this house. So that is this Lorton property. Okay, so that concludes our property tour. Hope you saw some things that were of interest. If you are considering a townhouse in Lorton, kindly give me a call. Lorton has great schools, great transportation with the train, with the I-95 corridor. We're close to a lot of amenities. We can get to DC in 30 minutes. and Fort Belvoir and Quantico are real close. So Lorton is a great place to call home. I call it home. And if you want more information about Lorton, about selling in Lorton or buying in Lorton, give me a call. Love to hear from you. Till next time. Hi, I just wanted to send my sellers a quick update. I've been saying this for a long time, but now it just really happened to me. So we really at Delaria team do a lot of listings. I came here in Lorton to preview this townhouse, and as I made the appointment, 3 other agents came in right behind me, like literally one right after the other. And in fact, 2 of us were in there at the same time because they had overlapping appointments. So if you are in Lorton, if you are in Springfield, if you're in Alexandria, if you're in Fairfax County, and you are looking to get out of Northern Virginia, you're going to go somewhere else, you're going to Delaware, you're going to the Carolinas, you're going across state, you're just doing something else, this is the time to sell, because the buyers are ready and willing to move right now. They are qualified between like that $550 and $750 price point. That is a sweet spot for people right now to get in. It's affordable and they want a home. So sellers, if you're on the fence, give me a call. Let's walk through some strategies. We have 4 different types of solutions to get you what you need. And honestly, one of the best ones right now is if you fix up your house and you list it, it'll be gone in a weekend. So hope this was helpful to my sellers getting ready to relocate from Northern Virginia.